Would you believe me if I told you I achieved this boho braids with a half wig? Well, yes, I did it. I'm here to show you how, so please do keep on watching. Hello, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Alberta, but you can just simply call me Albie. I believe you guys have already seen from the title and the thumbnail the hairstyle we are doing today. We're going to be using this half wig from Icy Hair to achieve our boho braids. Okay, I'm going to be doing the unboxing of this later because I have to first start with the boho braids. This hair, it's an old crochet extension. I'm going to be using that, and also braiding hair. I've already pre-stretched the braiding hair. Okay, I've already stretched. The next step is to part my hair into two sections. So one section in front and then another section at the back. The section in front is where I'm going to be doing the boho braids, and then the section at the back is where the half wig will go. I'm going to start with cornrows at the back. Listen, the cornrows don't have to be neat, okay, because it's going to get covered up anyway. So yeah, I'm just going to do some skirmishes right now. The cornrows don't have to be neat at all. My patterns are not even going to be straight. I just need something to work with. Done with the cornrows now, so I'm going to quickly start with this section in front. This is the section we are going to be doing the boho braids, but first I would like to pre-stretch it first. So I'm just going to blow dry my hair real quick. Yeah, I'm just going to blow dry this section real quick, and I'll be back. So it's now time to do the boho braids, and as you guys can see, I've already started with 2 braids on the left side and 2 braids on the right as well. So yeah, so with the boho braids, all I have to do is to start with knotless braids and then just feed in the curls. Okay, so that's just what makes it boho braids. So that's just basically it, and it's super detailed. This tutorial is super detailed, both the knotless braids and how I feed in the boho braids. It is also very detailed. Okay, so this first one is just me showing you guys how to do knotless braids. So these are small knotless braids. The reason they are called knotless braids is because you first start with your natural hair. Okay, just like I'm doing here, you first start by doing 3-step braids on your natural hair or relaxed hair before you start feeding in the extension. So that's why they are called knotless braids. You know, with knotted braids, you just start with the extensions at the beginning. Okay, you wrap it around your natural or relaxed hair, and then you continue to braid. But with knotless braids, you can see how I'm doing it. You just feed in the artificial extensions or whichever extensions that you are using. You just feed it in. Okay. So yeah, that's just basically it. So this first one, I'm just showing you guys how to do knotless braids. These are tiny knotless braids, and then for the second one, I'll show you guys when I'll be feeding in the curls. Okay, so yeah, please enjoy the rest of the video, and if you have any questions for me, please do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, because I'm ever ready to answer your comments or your questions or what suggestions, whatever that you want to see, whatever hairstyle that you guys will want to see on my channel. Please do let me know in the comment section. I'm ever ready to serve you guys. I'm here for you guys. Okay, I'm here for you guys. Okay, so yeah, with this second one, I'm going to show you guys how to do knotless braids and also how to add in the curls, okay, to get the boho effect. So I'm first starting with the knotless braids, as you guys can see, and then just adding the curls once I proceed. Okay, whilst proceeding, I'll just add in. So here I'm adding in the curl. So yeah, you just feed it in. So with this, it is crochet hair. Okay, so I can make use of both strands, this one and then the other one. I can make use of both. So I'm just separating the first one first and then continuing to braid. Once I go further down, I'll separate the other one from the braids as well, just like this. Okay, so that's basically it. And then we get our boho knotless braids. Okay, so okay, once I'm done with the boho knotless braids, I will attach the half wig from Icy Hair. So the hair we are working with today is from Icy Hair, you guys. It is their half wig, and this is what it looks like. Woo! You can see from Icy Hair in 18 inches. It smells really nice, I won't lie. And it's so soft. Wow, that is super soft. I'm going to take this out. I'm just okay. Sit down. Oh, perfect. I have to cut the braids. I'm gonna be doing that in a second. I'm just about to dip the braids into hot water, not the curls. That's why I'm separating the curls from the braids. Okay, I've already done this part, so I have to do the same to this part. So I'll just dip the braids into hot water and then trim the ends. So that's basically what I'm doing right now. Water. So you see, just the ends. I'm going to put the wig back on, then I'll just style. So sorry, YouTube fam, I literally just abandoned you guys here. So I had to film some styling videos and also wet the hair. So I went ahead to wet it. Okay, it's even dried now. Yeah, it's dried now, but I went ahead to it. This is why you have to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, okay, because I post more videos on there, like styling videos when I'm activating the curls and all of that. I do most of that on TikTok and then YouTube, or for TikTok and Instagram, sorry. So yeah, that's why you have to follow me on there. These are my handles, both TikTok and Instagram. You can follow me on there to see what I did after what you guys saw on YouTube here. Okay, so yeah, go and check them out on TikTok and Instagram as well. If you've been able to watch this video up to this point and you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do want to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the post notifications bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Peace.